Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and grabbing the APK. First, check Android and free storage. You need space to install. Once done, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser or file manager you use. This lets third-party APKs run. Then download the Baidu Keyboard APK into your Downloads folder. I explain why. Android blocks unknown installs by default for safety, so enabling that setting briefly is required. After the APK finishes, make sure your file manager shows the file and you're ready to install. You now install and activate the keyboard. Open your file manager, tap the APK, and accept install. Android will prompt about permissions. Allow what's necessary. Once installed, go to Settings, System, Languages, and Input, then Virtual Keyboard to enable Baidu Keyboard. Make sure to select it as your current input method so it receives keystrokes. I tell you why. Enabling through System Settings registers the IME, and choosing it makes it active for apps. If prompted, grant full access for cloud features to work. You finish by customizing and verifying the keyboard. Open the Baidu Keyboard app to set languages, theme, and gesture options. These choices affect typing speed and suggestions. Then test in Notes or Messenger. Verify typing, voice input, and emoji panels. If the keyboard doesn't appear, make sure it's selected in Virtual Keyboard and not blocked by Device Admin. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear defaults, uninstall and reinstall the APK, or reset input settings. Doing that usually fixes registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.